So I'm James Day, the owner and manager of J-Day Engineering, which is my facility for vehicle repairs and maintenance in South Somerset. We're based specifically in Hemstridge. So I would consider that J-Day Engineering is the premier service and repair centre in the area, allied with the people that we've chosen to help get us there, and namely NAPA. So we're very proud to be where we are, and we're super excited about where we're going. We engaged with NAPA some years ago. We had been a historic customer, and they were engaging with the NAPA brand, which in fairness we didn't know about. Despite its 100-year pedigree, we had literally no knowledge of it. We were using a lot of APEC braking at the time. The quality was good, and it was always accurately picked. So we engaged with Andy to arrange a trip for the manager here at J-Day Engineering to attend the Remsa factory, where it was clearly highlighted that the NAPA braking products were made alongside in the same facility as products which they knew and trusted. That experience individually was enough to convince the manager to come back and tell his story of the quality that was OEM plus, and therefore there was no hesitation by the team to engage with NAPA on the braking. We've had zero issues with NAPA on the braking.
I found the braking trip very educational, finding that the NAPA products are made in the same factory as the APEC brand and various other well-respected brands was really good to see, and it's given me a bit of peace of mind really of how good the product actually is, and we're more than happy to use it on a daily basis.
This was a real example for us to be able to go, this was a worthwhile trip. As soon as the customer came back, he had confidence, he understood the processes that went through, and it gave the confidence through to the rest of the technicians in the workshop.
That actually paved the way to further discussions with NAPA and Andy primarily to demonstrate here at J-Day Engineering. A large team was assembled for us, which was brilliant, and we were shown that we could trust other product lines, springs and shock absorbers and suspension arms and things like that. The products which we wanted to fit, in fact, held the same credibility and the same standards. They were being produced in a similar or same environment as the products which we knew and believed in. That enabled us to convert the managerial staff, the workshop staff, and everybody in between to believe in the product, which has led to 100% where possible NAPA install on our vehicles now.
It's a good product. We find it fits every time. It's an OE standard quality. Customers like the product. We like the product. We stand by the product, and we're happy to fit it.
NAPA is used throughout filtration, suspension, braking, rotating electrics. We're not concerned by it at all. We were given a very low mortality suggestion by the supplier, and that has been exactly right. It has shifted completely the mentality within my business to engage with the product. I think the trust has been highlighted, and it has actually transformed the way that we acquire, identify and fit our components.